This is day 4 slash weekly recap. My first week. Um, Unfortunately, yesterday was not a good day at all. It was a terrible day. Worst day. I lost $60. I was overconfident. I got home. I was like, I'm up $80 on the week. I haven't had a losing day yet. All right. And I didn't follow, my strategy. I didn't stick to, I was just making random trades. I was not in the right place of mind. I don't know what I was doing, but I think this was an important day for me because I hadn't lost yet. Now I know what it really feels like again. I kind of got a smack in the face, a reminder that I need to lock in. I need to stick to my strategy. I don't even remember. I don't even remember what trade I took. That's how bad it was. Okay, like it was terrible. What I tried doing was trading against the trend. I thought, actually I do remember. It was after this move. I thought, oh, it's gonna bounce back up. No. Look. So yeah, I saw this, right? And then I saw a higher high, break a structure. And I guess that's a decent trade, right? But the problem is I set my stop here, my take profit, whatever. And I guess this is a decent trade. I mean, we do have a fair value gap. And it did retrace. So, I mean, I guess it's a decent trade, right? But then you look at, I have to remember, look at the 4-hour, and we're in a downtrend. Look at the hourly, we're in a downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend. So if this was like uptrend, right? Like this, an uptrend here, then this is like the move I would want to take in the future. That's the beginning. But over this weekend, the plan is I will study the charts, back test, find a strategy. I'm going to set hard rules, 2 trades a day, maximum 2 trades a day next week. If I lose both trades, I'm done trading for the day. Okay, and if I win the first one, maybe I'll take another one. Depends, but game plan for next week, I will study this weekend, learn as much as I can about my strategy, build on it. But I really have to and set cold stone stops next week. Like I'm setting limit orders too. I'm not buying any more market. We're doing hard limit orders. We're doing low risk. Yes, that's lower reward, but we're gonna do lower risk. So I'm gonna have a lot of confluences that I'm gonna go off of, make sure I have the best odds of a winning trade, and that's the plan. And as far as the week went in general, my first day, I think there were trades where I genuinely had, I believe, a good strategy and I followed it. But I was exiting early throughout the week. I did not get as much profit as I could have. And I also did not stick to my stop losses. Once I started setting limit orders, that's when I believe I made more money. I started making a lot, like on Thursday. That was my best day, and I think that's what I'm just gonna stick to limit orders from now on, because market mentally, it's, at least for now, I just don't have the discipline yet. So I'm gonna stick to limit orders next week. Throughout the whole week, we're not gonna place one market order unless my stop doesn't hit for some reason or something like that, or unless I genuinely have a reason to exit early. But that will only be after the first take profit. I will not exit early no matter what before the first take profit. After the first take profit, let's say it's really not showing signs it'll go up to my second, then sure, I'll exit early. Just so that, I'm not going to be an idiot and just lose out all the profit. But yeah, so studying whole weekend. I'm just gonna be back testing and then following the rules next week.